Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Homebody. I am Lisa, your host for today's video. So in today's video, I am doing a decorate with me. But before I do the decorate with me, I want to talk about my music. Where do I get my music? From Epidemic Sound. If you never heard of Epidemic Sound, you can log on to epidemicsounds.com, create an account, and once you create an account, log in with your email and password, and you will be taken to their main page. There they have a discovery option where you can discover different artists and different music. Okay, loves. Then there's also the browse tab, and the browse tab is one of my favorites because you can choose between the genres, the moods, the themes, and things like that. You can select, like, they have options such as pop, hip hop, country, jazz, and so much more. Under that browse tab, as I mentioned, there's a mood tab. And in that mood tab, they have options such as happy, dreamy, euphoric, relaxing, suspense, sad, and so much more. Then there's also a theme tab. And in that theme tab, there's options such as hopeful spring, Earth Day, sound of the sea, sunsets, and so much more. So for me in this video, I want to do something special. I want to search my favorite theme, which is tropical vibes. Yes, summertime is coming, so I'm going to give you guys so much tropical music, and it all comes from Epidemic Sound. Just it's last year, the year before, and the year before. So I put in tropical, and then I'm going to click on the tropical topic, and lo and behold, once I click on that tropical topic, and then I also click on that first song called Tropical, and I love it. Check it out. I love that song, so I'm going to go ahead and download that song, and then I'll be adding that song and so much more to my. So once I have my music saved to my phone, which is what I used to edit with, I use my phone, I head on over to my editing app, and I click audio, and I hit music, and I click download, which is all my music is saved, downloaded, and then I'll search for the name of the song, which is in this case is Tropical, and then I'll click on that song and upload it onto my video, and I'm good to go. So I'm going to leave a link below to Epidemic Sound just in case someone is interested in checking that out. And so let's get started on the decorate with me for pre-summer.
Try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad. I don't say goodbye, I don't do this stuff. Don't go, don't go, don't go. You should know why I'm a Gemini. My love, my love.
video. So let me just briefly tell you the details of this room. So many of you have been following me for quite some time, so you are aware of the details of the room. You may need a little update on the yellow items, but the furniture and things like that, you know exactly where it came from. What I'll do is I'll start with the yellow items, and then I will move on to the accent pieces. So this yellow pillow cover is from Amazon. I will place a link below to that. The throw is from HomeGoods. You can get your hands on these beautiful throws from HomeGoods. The flowers that you see in this vase are all from Hobby Lobby. Aren't they beautiful? I love me some flowers, and if you saw my previous video, you know that I have a busload of picks and flowers in different colors like that. So I actually went out to my shed and shopped and found everything in this room. Nothing is new. So also the flowers that you see here in the vase, this is from HomeGoods. I've had it for a couple of years. The pillow covers here are from HomeGoods. This is actually, it was a pillow actually, and I took the pillow out of the insert in order to store it. But this is from HomeGoods. That's also from HomeGoods. And moving on to the coffee table yellow items. The pick here is from Hobby Lobby. Candles are from either Amazon or HomeGoods. I will place a link below to them if I bought them from Amazon. The moss, the yellow moss is from Michaels. If I can link that, I will link that below as well. So basically all I did was add some plastic bags in there, and then I put the moss on top. If I can find the Instagram post when I did this, I'll post it right here in this video so that you can see it. It was a fun project. So for those of you who's not familiar with the other items, I'll move on to that. The couch is from Rooms to Go. This coffee table is from Transformer Table. It goes with my dining room table. This is the table that I store my extra plaques in. So if I'm not using all the settings on my table, I can just store the plaques here. Like this is an extender to transform my table. This is a plaque here. So I love that table. I'm gonna probably keep this table out for the summer because I wanted something gray in here for the summer. And I'll bring my gold coffee table back out for the fall and the winter. For the winter, I love the winter. So the candle holders are from Bath and Body Works. I love these candle holders. You can also get your hands on them from Amazon. I think they're more expensive on Amazon than they are at Bath and Body Works because you can use the coupon. This little mini ellipse vase is from Z Gallery. Again, that is from Hobby Lobby. My rug is from Well Woven. I'll place a link below to that. All my ginger jars are from HomeGoods. This plant here is from Ross. This plant stand is from CB2. I'll leave the link below to that. The accent cabinet is from At Home. The mirror is from Z Gallery, but it's been out of stock for quite some time. And I'm going to just scroll around this way. This accent chair is from Wayfair. I took the wingback chair that I had in here and I placed it in my master bedroom. These drapes are soundproof. They're 3-layered and they are from Nice Town Curtains. And they gifted me these over on Instagram. They're very heavy. They're very solid. You know, they're very, very nice. I like these drapes, and these curtain tie backs here are from Decor Galore. She gifted me those from over on Instagram. And this accent table here is from Z Gallery, and my end tables are from Homary. The wall art here is actually from At Home. The sconces are from Z Gallery, and my lovely bracelet pendant light is from ET2 Lighting. I love it, love it, love it, love it. It's so beautiful. Look at all that beautiness. I love it. So I hope that this video inspired someone on using, this is kind of like a mustard yellow, a mixture of mustard yellow and regular yellow, which is working out fine. I'm liking this combination and the mixing of metals. I have the gold over there. I have the wood over here. I have the mirror stuff over here. I have acrylic legs on this couch over here. I have gold legs on this couch. Let's see here. The lamps are gold. I have marble going on here. Different patterns going on. I am loving it. So this is actually the mixture of yellow tones that I have going on here. You can see that in the pillow. So you don't have to have the same color of a color. You can mix shades of yellow, shades of purple, shades of blue, shades of whatever color that you want. So you're getting an extra, an extra from for Lisa. Look at those different yellows. Look how pretty they look together. This is beautiful. I love it. And then the moss. The moss is another different shade of yellow, but it's flowing perfect in this space. So anyway, I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. And I will see you all in the next one. I need to do my entryway, and that'll be a different video. I'm going to do some yellow and gray behind me as well.